how to redeem codes in Nintendo Switch eShop. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and select Nintendo eShop on the home menu to launch the Nintendo eShop. Select the account you want to use. Further, select the redeem code option on the left side of your screen and then enter the 16-character download code. Some retailer cards for Nintendo Switch software will include both a control number and a download code. Make sure that you are entering the redeem code button and not the control number. Any letters and symbols not used with prepaid codes will be disabled from the on-screen keyboard. Finally, select the OK button to confirm, and if the code that you entered is correct and has not been expired, then your code will be redeemed successfully. So this is how you can redeem codes in Nintendo Switch eShop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.